It's an army, 2,000 strong, all women, caring, confident and completely committed to the cause of creating cancer awareness. Welcome to the Lavasa Women's Drive 2013. Just in case if you're wondering how did it all start?
Well, the journey, we found that even in educated women, the awareness of prevention of cancer vaccines was extremely low. So we got together with Tata Memorial and we started, taking this as a cause, promoting this as a cause, and donations and proceeds go to Tata Memorial for this whole thing.
In a nutshell, it's an all-women's drive where women wage war against cancer and other social evils that plague our society. And their weapon of choice is their car. Yes, you heard me right. Women full of passion and purpose from all walks of life come together and hit the highway to create cancer awareness.
For cervical cancer, all you need is awareness because it can be prevented, unlike other cancers which has only cure.
The highest death because of cancer happen in women because cervical cancer and HPV is the cause. And we are here to promote early detection and cure of HPV so that women don't suffer from cervical cancer.
Cervical cancer prevention basically requires 3 shots of Gardasil. So we are creating more vaccination awareness.
If we can go and spread this message and reach out to people who haven't had the opportunity like some of us have, I think it'll be fantastic.
There are certain questions, there are certain myths which are there about cervical cancer for that matter of fact and breast cancer for that matter of fact. But the sessions that these guys conducted, wherein it's an open forum with the best of doctors coming in, helping create that awareness and you can ask those questions. I think this is an immensely great platform. If you want to promote anything, it's a great platform.
But getting to be a part of this lovely drive is not easy. If you want to know more about screening and the selection process, well, for starters, not every applicant is selected. The participants are selected on the basis of votes and nominations. The entire drive is so appealing a concept that women from 85 countries flock to Facebook to register themselves. Simply put, the contestant that garners the maximum votes get to participate. It's not just about educating the world about cancers, but it's also about having fun on the run and women empowerment.
Well, if the woman is empowered, the whole world changes. Everything begins from the home.
I think she's more independent than before. She is more, because she's more educated, she's more aware. And she's also, because of the awareness spread, she's also getting chances to explore herself and reach new heights.
Women are half the percent in the world and that is untapped.
If they are empowered, surely the nation will come forward and everywhere there will be development and progress.
If you do not empower her, you powered women, men, now power women. And the world is so much, it'll grow doubly, isn't it? Well, I think that over the years, you can see what has happened here in India, you can see it all over the world. I think women's empowerment and certainly the women getting up and standing up for themselves is really very important.
Now, as women, we are learning to give ourselves more time. So we're looking at more fitness. That's what the backside says, right? So it's more than, it's just not what your family is definitely important. But if you don't prioritize yourself, everything falls apart.
The drive not only celebrates the feminine force at its beautiful best, but also reminds every woman the steely strength and grit that she is born with.
Well, this whole concept is actually about women with drive, women being proactive, women having that inner energy within them, the desire to succeed, the goal. It's just about empowerment, it's just about opportunities. You see a lot of opportunities in some section of the audiences, but I think so many women at large don't even have the opportunity. I personally believe that women have it intrinsically as a genetic mix, the ability to fight, the ability to make things happen. I think it's there.
Women have got strength, power to change. They can change the whole family, culture, habits, everything they can change. They have to just understand the strength, act on it, and enter into a healthy track.
Currently in its 5th edition, the Lavasa Women's Drive boasts of 3 Limca Book records for being the largest women's car rally in India. Like every year, this year too, the drive saw a healthy dose of celebs sharing the same sentiment in their fight against cancers.
I think breast cancer is another issue. I think I'm sure all the women here agree. Needs to be checked really in its early stages, and there's amazing technology today to do that. So I think they're great causes, women drivers, and talking about women empowerment, I think women are empowered today.
Women just take themselves for granted. They get so busy with their lives, with their personal lives, professional lives, and they forget that they have to take care of themselves.
Okay. I think it's wonderful because all the women that are here today have promised themselves that they're going to go back home and get that anti-cervical cancer injection, and they're going to, self-examine themselves regularly. And if more women can make that promise to themselves that they're going to take better care and be more aware, I think we will have lesser cases of cancer in women.
Any sphere, any form, any format, any expression, any value of life, you see women are at par with men. And such campaigns only reiterate our stand and reiterate their power and our belief in their power.
I think each car that is going, they're so motivated and they're so full of life, and each one is having some cause or the other. Getting so much awareness about women, for women. It's really amazing initiative taken by Times, and congratulations. And this is the 5th year, and I think it should complete 25 years.
Well, I think it's as important as necessity as water and food now, look at me, I'm an independent woman, and I respect everybody, who's today here, and they've taken an initiative towards helping their own kind. So it's beautiful to watch.
I think it's fantastic. I think women don't get appreciated enough. I think when something bad happens to us, like rapes and stuff, when we speak to the people closest to us, it's always thought of perhaps a lie. People tend to be in denial, and it's very difficult to be a woman to tell the truth and to not be supported by the people that you're closest to.
Because the women have been driven against the wall. They got to take a stand. And men, we educated men, have got to help them take the stand as well.
For most contestants, their car was their canvas, topped up tastefully with installations, banners, and all they could find to put the point across.
We have tried to depict Gandhiji as 3 monkeys that he talked of. Bura mat dekho, bura mat bolo. But today I think we have to carry the message Bura mat karo also. So we have shown that the 4th monkey.
Crown specifies that we as women are dressed up today as queens, and we are going to rock down till Lavasa and celebrating 5 years of LWD with a message behind that there is a prevention to cancer.
We are fighting for a cause, cervical cancer and AIDS. When we talk about AIDS, it's condoms, which is a taboo word. We are a little hesitant of using it, going on the counter and buying it. We have a yucky feeling handling it. We just try to upgrade it into an art form which looks very aesthetic and beautiful. We want to see what is the beautiful side of condoms. That's what we have tried to promote it, and how it can save us from a lot of things.
It's an awareness about the cancer, like early detection, cause Yuvraj Singh to fight against the cancer and come back again to the limelight, and again playing. It's a basically early detection and get back to the normal life after fighting the cancer.
We are supporting Educate a Girl Child. It's basically in India, people usually educate their boy child, and they, just ask girl ki aap jao, ghar pe kaam karo. So we want to educate a girl child. We have been educated and we know the value and we are where we are standing. So we want others also to do that.
All the messages here which says how you can get infected with cervical cancer, how you can protect yourself. We've placed these special 2 girls out here. They say that it's only women who can spread this word across. So it goes from a woman to a woman.
This is the highlight of today, and we have a story. If you see behind on our car, it's about women inequality. It's about how the upbringing between a son and a daughter is different, and because of the inequality, what problems we can see in today's life. But if a son and daughter are raised equal, you can see the progress on a bonnet of the car. So you can see today's woman is a pilot, she's a doctor, she's a manager, and she handles her responsibilities very well.
Our whole car is in pink color, so pink is also supporting breast cancer. And you see, we hop towards success. That's why we have a bunny here.
We already have 5 years.
That is what we are showing.
It's sort of, we compare, it's the whole thing, like, we take a whole of it, like breast cancer and women empowerment. We've also especially, we have our high fives here showing the women
showing high five hands. We've written women power.
The cause for us is obesity. Obesity, which becomes an invitation, open invitation to multiple cancers in women. If you don't want to fall prey to cancers, avoid obesity, we have to treat obesity.
It's basically stop traffic terrorism and how women are the good and the best and the safer drivers.
We are trying to show that this is a cancer-free world, so we've got the entire map, the entire globe on the car. And we've shown the 3 shots going to the virus, showing that cervical cancer prevention basically requires 3 shots of Gardasil. So we are creating more vaccination awareness. That's the whole theme of our car.
We believe in no girl, no world. So we are supporting the cause of female feticide as we believe there is no woman, there is no world.
A star-studded flag-off later, the Mumbai contestants were ready for 200 kilometers of fun. A little later, the cars from Pune also joined the club. For those who are wondering the route is also a fixed one. As always, participants are flagged off from both Mumbai and Pune, and after 200 odd kilometers of highways, the drive culminates at Lavasa. And since it's a time-speed distance drive, the car will run on a prescribed route at a specific speed and have to complete the drive within the specified time. And in this drive, the contestants meant serious business.
I'm sticking to 55. I touched 60. I'm going low now.
55,
You said 15 minutes I'm supposed to reach?
the next speed change.
Stick to 55. 55, yeah.
So this drive is not at all about going pedal to the metal. In fact, precision driving is the key to cracking any TSD event.
Your speed is 60. Slow down.
This is a time speed drive in which the importance is that you drive safely. If you arrive before time, there also you have a penalty, and if you are arriving late, then also you have a penalty. We have TC's time checks. If you miss any time check, there also you lose some points. So that's the beauty of it, and while doing this, the whole idea is to spread the awareness related to the cancer.
The Mumbai traffic did slow the start, but at the expressway, the ladies let it out. Coming up, after a smooth 6-lane expressway, the girls got groovy on the ghats.
I was doing for the first time. For 2 times, I had problem while driving the ghat, but the roads are very challenging and it was very interesting.
After munching miles on the highway, the grind and chatter of the city had given way to the peace and calm of the Western Ghats. Cruising on the expressway was easy, but driving on the curvy ghat roads did pose a challenge for some.
I was doing for the first time. For 2 times, I had problem while driving the ghat, but the roads are very challenging and it was very interesting.
While the newbies struggled, the veterans got over the ghats with ease.
It's my 5th time, and I love driving. So I don't think it was challenging at all for me. I'm pretty much fresh. I can drive for another 48 hours non-stop if you want me to. So I enjoy the drive part, and that's why I always fight to become the driver.
Yes, agreed, driving a TSD event is not that difficult for the driver because it's the navigator who does most of the work. It's the navigator who juggles the tulips and the time cards and makes sure that the driver is on the right track and she's hitting all the time checks.
It was
very much of challenging one, to be very much of conscious, to read the signals, to read the tulips, guide the driver, because the driver is totally depending upon me to check it out whether we are having to check ports or not. So this time the route was pretty familiar, but it was good, and they caught us by surprise by giving us less number of TCs that they have. She just need to play with the wheel and the clutches, but here I need to see down how is the traffic, where is the tulips, so it was really a challenging one.
Nestled in nature's lap is the Lavasa Hill City. It's planned to perfection, and the best bit, it's got all the amenities that you'd expect of a big city. After 200 odd kilometers behind the wheel, all the ladies at Lavasa let their hair down, quite literally.
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
But the highlight really was when the girls got grooving on Gangnam Styles and other chart busters. And amidst all this jubilation came in a proud announcement about their latest project.
The price of this residential complex is 6,500 only per square feet. We have very limited. We have only 16 apartments in this. This has very interesting Wi-Fi enabled homes. We've got very good amenities and specs, and it's a very premium residential option. This is called as Valley View Apartments. These are also interesting apartments. Most of them have lake views, and this is at a very affordable price of 4,450 onwards. The third one is in Mugao. We are currently marketing our second town, Mugao, and what we have here is Hillshore Apartments in Mugao. This one is 3,850 per square feet onwards. So bevy of apartments, a bevy of residential options.
And those who weren't singing or dancing were feasting on the local delicacies, indulging in some beautiful body art, while others got trendy with the turbans. Post-drive, it was party time, and the ladies at Lavasa shrugged off the stress in style by dancing and swaying to symphonies sung by Chintu Bhosle. To sum up, Lavasa Women's Drive 2013 was carnival-like right from the word go. The ladies rejoiced and had once again rubbished the age-old myth that women can't drive. Also, fifth time in a row, 2,000 women had directed their heart and their soul towards a cause that ensures a cancer-free world. Till next time then, take care and drive safe.